Many people find it hard to let go of their day and unwind in the evening. Today we'll do 15-minute evening pranayama to let go of the day, regulate your nervous system, and reset your mind and come to this present moment. It'll help you transform from a busy mind to a calm and relaxed state. This will also help you unwind and relax before your bedtime. So if you're ready, let's go on to the 15-minute breath work. So here's what we're going to do today. We'll start with warming up the body with gentle yoga exercises. Then we'll go into pranayama and breath work. 2 rounds of Tummo breathing with 30-second and 45-second breath hold. Then we go into ease into alternate nostril breathing to balance out your masculine and your feminine side. The last one we go into is Bhramari Pranayama or humming bee breath to reset your whole endocrine system and give you a restful sleep. So without any further ado, coming into cross-legged position, keeping your spine straight. And we start with inhaling, bring the arms up overhead, interlace the palms facing up. Look up towards the palms. Inhale. And exhale, bring the palms down, chin to chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold here, look up, gaze up, holding for 6. Exhale, 9. Very slowly allow the breath to come out and pull the perineum muscles up, engage the diaphragm. Beautiful. Again, inhale. Interlace the palms looking up. And exhale, bring the left palm on your right knee as you twist. Inhale. Exhale towards the left side. Leverage the arm strength to twist a little deeper. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last one. Inhale. Hold the breath in. Pull the perineum muscles up. 6. Exhale, holding the breath out. 9. Inhale. Hold. 6. Exhale. 9. Beautiful. Come back to normal. And we start with the first breathing exercise, Tummo breathing. Inhaling through the nose, exhale through pursed lips. Inhale fully. Inhale, holding the breath in 30 seconds. Beautiful. Allow the breath to come out. In normally, sit in meditation 30 seconds. All right, slowly start to open your eyes. Now we go on to the second set of Tummo breathing. 45-second breath hold on the inhale. Inhale fully. Inhale, holding for 45 seconds, engaging the root chakra. And exhale. Inhale normally. Sit in meditation 30 seconds. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends, now we bring the nervous system down. We engage our parasympathetic nervous system with alternate nostril breathing. We'll still introduce a little bit of holds. Inhale for 6, hold for 3, exhale 9, and we continue incrementing the holds. So if you're ready, coming into Vishnu Mudra, inhaling for left 6, hold 3, exhale 9. Inhale right 6, hold 3, exhale 9, left. Inhale left 6, hold 6, exhale right 9. Inhale right 6, hold 6, exhale left 9. Inhale left 6. Hold 9. Exhale right 9. Inhale right 6. Hold 9. Exhale left 9. One last time. Inhale left 6. Hold 12. Exhale right 9. Inhale right 6. Hold 12. Exhale left 9. Beautiful. Allow the breath to come in, out normally, and see if you can just focus, observe your body. Amazing job. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. Now we'll do 6 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama, humming bee breath, to bring nitric oxide up in your body by 15 times. So coming into 7 doors closing mudra, bring the thumbs into your ears, taking a long breath in. And coming into meditation, 30 seconds. slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends, now you just simply notice your breath. How has your breath slowed down to become slow, long, and deep? So essentially, you want to maintain this slow, long, deep breath throughout your evening until you go to sleep. And as you go to sleep, this long, slow, deep breath would also go into your sleep and give you a very calm and restful sleep. As you practice this pranayama breathing exercise routine for the next 30 days, you'll see your nervous system is reset. When the evening comes, it's very important to let go of your day so you can rejuvenate, so you can step into your parasympathetic nervous system, so you can get ready for the next day. We have prepared a powerful guided meditation for letting go and surrender to support your journey of conscious decision making. Along with it, we have included a beautifully designed decision making journal to help you track your weekly challenges. You can download them by using the link in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you can enroll in our complete breathwork course for conscious decision making. This step by step program is designed to help you build confidence and align your choices with who you truly are. You can join us through our Holistic Awakening membership, which gives you access not only to this course, but also to all our breathwork and meditation programs. Plus, you can download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, timed guided breathwork sessions, guided meditations, and calming sleep music all in one place. Don't delay your transformation. Click the link in the description to begin your path to empowered and conscious decision making. I hope this video brought a little value into your life. If it did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga, pranayama, and breathwork into their life. Until next time, my friends, thank you for tuning into the School of Breath. My name is Abidugal. Namaste, peace, and love.